Good morning children. Next concept is speed changes but direction remains constant. So to prove this activity I am taking the inclined planes. Here inclined plane in the sense slope line. Okay. What the experiment explains about that? Speed will be keep on changing from one place to another place. But we have to show that direction should be remain constant. So to prove that I am taking these two inclined planes. Okay. Set up an inclined plane. Here inclined plane is smooth surface or plain surface. Okay. Now select two marbles or you can select two balls also. Okay now you can select marbles or balls. So now try to release the ball from top to bottom. First point is let us consider or let us set up an inclined plane. Inclined plane. Second point is now release the ball from top to bottom. Release the ball from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Before you are releasing the ball, okay, before you are releasing the ball is at rest position. That is initial state. Okay, initial state means it will be at 0 seconds. Initial అంటే starting state అనమాట. మీరు బాల్ వదిలేనప్పుడు 0 state లో ఉన్నట్టు బాల్. ఓకే, if you are trying to release this ball, ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు వదిలేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నారో what happens? The position of the ball keep on moving from time interval t is equal to 1 second. Then after it reaches to 2 seconds. Finally it reaches to 3 seconds. It will keep on moving from 0 second time interval to n number of seconds. That means finally reaches to ground state. Okay. That means what? Here it is a slope line. So that is the reason ball speed will be keep on increasing and finally reaches to ground state. Okay. Then after also it will be moving to even more distance. Later it is going to be stopped. The ball will be stopped over there due to because of frictional force. ఏ ఫోర్స్ ఉండడం వల్ల మనకి ఇక్కడ బాల్ అనేది ఆగిపోయింది? ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ వల్ల. దట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్. గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ యాక్టింగ్ opposite to the frictional force. Opposite to the frictional force. So that is the reason ball will be stopped over there. Similarly, look at here. Take one more inclined plane or set up and one more inclined plane. Now in this case, release the ball from bottom to top. ఇప్పుడు బాల్ ఎక్కడ నుండి వేస్తున్నారు? మీరు కింది నుండి పైకి వేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ bottom to top. Now release this ball. Bottom to top. What happens? The ball will be during the initial state. It will be at 0 second of time interval. Then after it reaches to 1 second of time interval. Finally, whenever you are releasing this ball, ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు బాల్ కింది నుండి పైకి వేస్తున్నారో ఏమవుతుంది? It will be entered till the t is equal to 2 seconds of time interval only, because there is no base. Due to absence of base, ultimately what happens? The ball will be bounced back or come back to its original state. Okay, now second case, the ball will be reached to a certain height. It will not reach up to final point. ఇది పై వరకు రీచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఎందుకంటే దాని యొక్క బేస్ అనేది ప్రాపర్గా లేకపోవడం వల్ల ఏమైంది? బాల్ ఒక సర్టన్ డిస్టెన్స్ వెళ్ళిపోయి మళ్ళీ బౌన్స్ బ్యాక్ అయిపోయి ఒరిజినల్ స్టేట్కి రావడం జరిగింది సెకండ్ కేస్లో. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ స్పీడ్ విల్ బి డిక్రీజెస్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? స్పీడ్ చేంజ్ అయింది అన్నారు. ఇందులోనేమో చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉంది స్పీడ్. ఇందులో వచ్చేసరికి ఏమైంది? మనకి ఒక సర్టన్ డిస్టెన్స్ వరకు వెళ్ళిపోయింది, తర్వాత ఒరిజినల్ స్టేట్కి వచ్చేసింది. రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్? So that means what here? Direction will be same. Like the same direction the ball is going to be transmitted. Here also same direction the ball will be transmitted. But only the variation is speed will be different in this case. So what we can conclude here? By this case 1 and case 2, we notice that speed will be keep on changing, but the direction remains constant. We have been proved successfully by practically by taking this experiment. Okay now children, once again I am repeating. Set up an inclined plane. Now release the ball from top to bottom. Before starting this ball, the ball is at initial state, that is 0 seconds. Whenever you are starting this ball, finally the ball will be reached to 1 second, then after 2 seconds, then after 3 seconds, finally reaches to ground state. After reaching this ground state also, the ball will be keep on moving even more distance. Then after the ball will be stopped due to because of frictional force. Here the reason is, always remember that gravitational force and frictional force are acting opposite to each other. Similarly, observe for the second case. Set up an inclined plane. Now release the ball from bottom to top. As you are starting this ball, as you are releasing this ball from bottom to top, the ball will be moved to a certain height and finally bounce back and come back to its original state. Here what we are going to be noticed, within a limited time interval, the ball will be reached to final state. That means here ground state. Okay. Here the speed will be keep on changing from case 1 to case 2. But direction remains constant. Is it clear everyone?